Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah everyone. Welcome back to the Grand Tour of Science. I'm Ibrahim and today we're diving into a fun journey through the world of numbers, logic and real life wonder. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here before, glad to have you back. Let's kick things off by asking a simple question. What exactly is maths and why does it matter so much? So, what is maths? Math is the study of numbers, shapes, patterns, and logic. It helps us count, measure, solve problems, and understand how the world works, all using reason and rules. Now that we've got the big picture of what maths is all about, it's time to peek behind the scenes. How does it actually work? How maths works. Math works through logic and structure. It follows rules, steps, and operations like adding, subtracting, multiplying to help us make sense of problems, big or small. And to understand math even better, we need to explore its branches. Major branches of mathematics. Now let's look at the main branches of maths. Each one adds something new to your math skills, kind of like leveling up in a game. We'll focus on the simpler ones for now and just take a quick peek at the more advanced ones later. Number 1. Arithmetic. Arithmetic is the toolkit of maths. It deals with basic operations, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. We use it from everyday life, from shopping to splitting pizza. Algebra. Algebra is where numbers meet letters. It helps us find the unknown, solve equations, and build logical thinking. It's like solving little mysteries with math. Number 3. Geometry. Geometry is all about shapes, angles, and lines and space. Helps us design buildings, draw maps, and understand the space around us. Trigonometry. Trigonometry focuses on triangles and angles. It helps us calculate heights, distances, and even track stars and planets. Other advanced branches include calculus for change and motion, statistics to understand data, probability to predict chances, number theory to explore patterns, logic and set theory for clear thinking and organization. Each branch adds a new power to your math brain. Why do we need maths? Math is everywhere. It helps us solve problems, make decisions, manage money, and build technology. It sharpens our thinking and helps us see patterns in life. So, where do we see all this math in action? Real life and maths. From calculating time, distance, and prices to building bridges, making games, or baking cakes, maths is behind it all. It's not just for school, it's for life. But did you know math is also part of our faith? A Quranic ayah on maths. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَأَوْفُوا الْكَيْلَ وَالْمِيزَانَ بِالْقِسْطِ. Give full measure and weight with justice. Surah Al-An'am 6:152. This verse reminds us that fairness in trade and dealing relies on accurate measurement, one of the most practical uses of mathematics in daily life. Hadith on maths. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Learn inheritance and teach it to the people. It is half of knowledge and will be forgotten, and it is the first thing to be taken away from my nation." Sunan Ibn Majah 27:10. Hasan. Inheritance law in Islam is a direct application of maths. It uses ratios, fractions, and precise division to ensure fairness. Next up, physics. Now that we've learned the language of logic and numbers, it's time to see it in action. Physics uses maths to explain how the universe works, from falling apples to flying rockets. Thanks for watching. Got any questions? Drop them down in the comments below. Ready to explore physics? Watch this next video to see how the world works through energy, motion, and the laws of nature. Jazakumullahu khairan and see you in the next video.